Early morning, doing the washing, and it's really nice. That's my view from my back kitchen. Really nice. Even the dog likes it. You like here, Levi, yeah? Place to dry the clothes here. That's what you want. You want a nice quiet place to live and lots of room to move the wash machine, and we've got the small kitchen here. But this is really just for domestic cooking for the house. And here you've got the good area garden as well for the tables and chairs. But what more do you want, eh? I've got an inside kitchen, which is far nicer for the, if you want a place where there's no light on. If you want a place to make tea and coffee and the air fryer, stuff like that. But look, this is well fitted out. But this is for me, because I'm here all day. My family's out working and my daughter's at school, so for me it's alright. Everything's all practical and well laid out. But when I come in home, then I realise how lucky we are basically to have a really nice house in the country. You go in the city, it's all polluted and just horrible. Look at that for a nice place, eh? Your chilies and your papayas and all your different stuff you can grow here. Tomatoes. They don't even pick them. My family don't pick them. They just lie in the garden. Bananas and look at that nice the fruit. I said very nice. But that's the life you've got, eh? My wife comes back about maybe 2:30 to 3 o'clock, so I've got all day to myself, so I can sit home, I can go in the car, I can go and visit nice places, but I just sit home, do some jobs and footer about the house. Now I'm doing the washing, looking after my wee dog. Hey Levi, your daddy's best boy. No, stay there. Are you hungry? Would you like something to eat? Oh yeah, come on in. We'll make him something to eat. He understands food. He's definitely a good Thai dog. Oh, don't jump. Okay. Let's get motivated and hang the washing up.